LA City 911 operator 415.
Please, people to transfer, go ahead.
Yes, thank you. Hi, I have an emergency, please. I have my
What's the
son.
address?
He has 14 Foothill Boulevard apartment. It's in Silmar, California, 91342. He has schizophrenia and he's out of control.
What is he doing?
Yeah, he's threatening my husband and me, and he just beat me with a stick, very strong, and he's threatening us.
Where's he at right now?
He has a warrant. I'm in the car.
No, where is he? Where is he?
He is in my apartment.
Okay.
He has a warrant.
Okay, and is he, what's his name?
Carlos.
Pablo what?
Carlos.
Okay, could you spell his name for me, please?
Sure. Carlos.
Uh-huh.
The beta Z-E-T as in Paul. I'm sorry. Z-E-P-E-D-A. Carlos Cepeda.
Okay, and how old is he?
He's 29.
Is he black, white, Hispanic, or Asian?
He's Hispanic.
What color shirt and pants is he wearing?
He's wearing a black shirt and a black pants.
And he's in the apartment right now?
Yes. He's very, very sick.
And he's diagnosed with schizophrenia?
With schizophrenia, yes.
Okay.
Yes, and he has a warrant. He's out of control. He's not taking his medications, and I'm afraid for my life and my husband.
He has a warrant for his arrest?
Yes, because he failed parole.
Okay.
He started doing meth, so he never did it again before.
He's under the influence of meth as well?
I don't know right now, but he's been on it. He's been in the street, and he barely came today.
So he's possibly under the influence of drugs?
Maybe, yes.
Okay, so what happened today?
He forced himself in, I guess. I was sleeping. And then, right now I just told him, to not to close the doors because he locked everything and closed the windows and everything. And I told him, he got mad and he said that he was going to stick, that stick in my vagina. And, he was going to drink my blood. He was saying all these things, and then he hit me with a stick in my back. And I just got out the house.
But what happened today, though? So what happened today?
He came in. He broke in basically the house.
He doesn't live there?
No, he's homeless. He doesn't have to do anything. He just broke. He put out a glass door, so it's easy for him.
He broke inside, yeah.
He broke inside easy. Okay. So, we try to nail things down because I know, he's also in a thing.
Want to get eyes on the front door first?
What was that?
Want to get eyes on the front door?
No, I think we're good right now.
And then he was cool for a minute. And then he brought the stick in. I served him food. I didn't take to ease him down, but I went to take a shower. I told my wife, I'm going to take a shower right now. I didn't feel comfortable. And my wife left early to drop off our other son at work. So I stayed with him. So I make sure everything's cool. Told him, I'm going to take you wherever you need to go. I said, right. But once I went in the shower, I was trying to, I heard screaming. So my wife left. I'm hurry, but once I get out, he took me with him. He said, hey.
What?
He tried to hit me with the stick, but I said, wait, what the hell are you doing? I'm going to hit you. I want to leave. I said, no, let me change. So I was on the couch. But he hit my wife.
She hit him in the back with the...
Yeah.
Why did he hit her? He's a little mental illness?
He has suffered mental illness for a long time. And he's not receiving treatment. That's the worst part,
So he was able to break into the front door of the house?
Yeah, we have a balcony.
What's his name again?
Carlos.
Okay.
We have a balcony.
He hit you with a stick?
Hit his wife.
Your wife?
Yes.
Where's your wife right now?
In the parking lot.
Does she need medical attention?
Hopefully I can take her, but she's a big moose. He detects pictures. I go to preserve her.
Stay now, of course. You want to cover? So keep pointing, and I'm gonna unlock it. Huh? Just go.
Carlos, hey, relax.
Hey, Carlos, we just want to talk, man. Hey, read the floor, though. Read the floor. Hey, come on down. Come on down. Hey, Carlos, we just want to talk, man. You need to set the stick down. Hey, Carlos, we just want to talk. We need to talk to you, man.
Yeah.
Hey, you gotta set the stick down.
He might have locked it. He might have locked it. He's still messing around with it, so.
Hey, Carlos, Los Angeles Police Department. We need to talk to you, man. Set the stick down. Come out with your hands up. I can't hear you, man. Can you open the door so we can hear you? Run. Carlos, we need to talk to you, man. Set the stick down so we can talk. Hey, if you open the door and set the stick down, we can talk to you. And we can figure out what's going on. Carlos, we're here to help you, man, but we need to see you. I can't hear you. Why are you gonna do that, man? We're here to help you. Hey, we need to help you.
Yeah, that's the grade you come out with.
Yeah.
Well, I think it's a matter of
Now I'm making phone calls.
barricade suspect.
Yeah. Let's let me call Washington.
Hey, can we use your belt?
I had to axe for a second.
It looked like a stick to me. I can't really tell.
No, it's a stick. It's a stick.
Do we want it? Because
Once I got backed up and I got a better angle, it was just a weak little stick.
I have somebody up there who's not
When he first popped it open, he was literally right there when he first opened the door. Say I'm gonna kill you.
Yeah, so.
Hey, Carlos!
He's like,
What's going on? Why are you so upset?
There's no exit on the backside, so the only exits exist on this here. So
Carlos, can you at least open the door so we can talk?
And we have more time back then. You want to back up? Run it back up. Yeah, well, knives, no firearms or anything like that.
Yeah, that's a big stick. I think it's a bigger deal with about 80 here.
There's no firearms. I already talked to them. There's no firearms, just knives.
He already confirmed.
He asked me.
Yeah, I asked them two different times.
Just see like, hey, so I'm out here on hey, so if he bumps that door,
I'm thinking we should
We're
bump
good for a
down.
40. We're good for a 40.
continuously. 5150. He already made that approach.
Yeah, he came at me.
Real good.
Come in.
Yeah.
Come back. You come back completely. I was going to say something.
Whack mom on the back with a stick, and then he's very good. At this point, I kind of like a taser.
He's not going anywhere though.
Yeah, Taurus has a good point.
He's not going anywhere.
Yeah, so he's basically not coming out. It's just like your apartment. He's still coming out.
Yeah. Carlos, hey! Relax.
Drop the knife!
The Thames Unit is a group of highly trained and experienced paramedics who are embedded with law enforcement officers and capable of responding into active shooter incidents. Their goal is to be able to prevent or reduce the loss of life through rapid extraction and transportation during shooting incidents.
Get the pens up here. Get the pens up here. Pens up here. Get the pens up here. In the harbor.